So, very good morning to all the students. As we know that the HSC has provided us with an question bank for our English subject. So here today I will be posting a video especially on the answers of the fifth question. As you know, the first four questions you will receive the answers online. You might even find a PDF. But when it comes for this question, which is related with the genre of novel, there are very few resources. So today I shall be explaining to you the answers, as well as I will be providing you this particular video, in which there will be a series of more 3 videos where I shall be giving you answers to all the questions, like question number 5A, question number 5B, 5C and 5D. So without wasting time, let's begin. So the question number 5A is complete the activities given below as. The first is this: choose the correct alternative and rewrite the sentences. So let us see the first example. The first is 18th century gifted mankind with. So what was the gift that we received in the 18th century? Was it drama and poetry, novel and drama, poetry and novel, or novel and periodical essays? So the correct answer to this is novel and periodical essays. Let us see the next one. Novel soon became a dominant literary genre as it. So why did novel become a dominant literary form? Because was it A, help people to live a more purposeful life? Was it caught the intellectual, sentimental and realistic spirit? Grew gradually and gained popularity? Or the D, all of these? So the answer to this question is all of these, because as we have seen earlier, the answer to this is all of these. The next is the third one. Indian writers in English novel initially wrote about the theme of. So when the English novels started coming out in India, so the Indian writers preferred which type of topics? A, domestic violence, B, nationalistic and social virtues, C, scientific theories, or D, psychological insights. So the correct answer is nationalistic and social virtues. Moving on to the next one, fourth one, Gothic novel contains. So what does Gothic novel contain? A, terror and supernatural, B, mystery and thriller, C, horror and haunted buildings, or D, all of these. So the correct answer is all of this, because Gothic novel contains terror and supernatural, mystery and thriller, horror and haunted buildings. Moving on to the next one. Strike out the unnecessary. So here we have to remove what is not necessary. Detective fiction is. So what is detective fiction? A subgenre of crime fiction. B, Agatha Christie mastered the art of crime fiction. C, detectives can be professionals or amateurs. D, protagonist is necessarily an eccentric person. So the correct answer to this is protagonist is necessarily an eccentric person. So in no way we should make the mistake. So the correct answer was protagonist is a necessarily an eccentric person. In no way we should make a mistake that detective fiction is directly related with crime fiction. Moving on to the next question, 2. That is, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct alternative. So these are just types of questions which could be asked. One of the activities will be asked, one of the 2 activities will be asked. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct alternative. The first is, a novel is relatively a dash type of narrative. Is it short, long, or descriptive? So the correct answer is long. A novel is relatively a long narrative. Next is, English word novel is derived from the Italian word. So here we have 3 words which mean the same, but there is just a few spelling mistakes. First is novella, novelle, novellus. So the correct answer to this is novella. English word novel is derived from the Italian word novella. Next is, Geoffrey Chaucer wrote dash. So Geoffrey Chaucer was the author of which book? Was it Morte the Arthur, the Canterbury Tales, or Tale of Genji? So the correct answer to this is Canterbury Tales. Geoffrey Chaucer wrote the Canterbury Tales. Moving on, the Tale of Genji by Murasaki Shikibu was published in the year. Reminding to all the students that this was the very first novel. So in which year was it published? Was it in 1010, 1605, 1050 or 1600? So the correct answer to this 1010. The Tale of Genji by Murasaki Shikibu was published in the year 1010. Moving on, The Pilgrim's Progress is a novel written by Dash. So who is the author of The Pilgrim's Progress? Is it A. John Bunyan, second Afra Ben, or Daniel Defoe? So the current or the answer is The Pilgrim's Progress is a novel written by John Bunyan. Moving on, Dash is the pioneer of stream of consciousness novel. So who was the pioneer of stream of consciousness? Was it the first one Agatha Christie, Jane Austen, or Virginia Woolf? So the correct answer to this is Virginia Woolf. Understand the difference between a pioneer and a founder. As you know, William James was the first who coined this term. So the difference between coined and pioneer is somebody who's an expert in this. So Virginia Woolf is the pioneer of stream of consciousness novel. Moving on to the seventh one, the first Indian English novel, Raj Mohan's Wife, was written by Dash. Was it Mulkaraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay? So the correct answer to this is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Joseph Conrad wrote the novel named as Dash. Was it the first one, Billy Budd, The Heart of Darkness, or Pearl? So the correct answer to this, Heart of Darkness. Science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction dealing with what? Is it Dash? Is it this answer, futuristic setting, death and decay, earlier period than of writing? So the correct answer to this answer is futuristic setting. So science fiction is basically something where we deal about the future. The next is the famous trio of Indian writers is Dash. So the three Indian famous writers, are they Mulkaraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao, Amitav Ghosh, Manohar Madgavkar, or Mulkaraj Anand, Amitav Ghosh, R.K. Narayan, and Arvind Adiga? So the correct answer to this is Mulkaraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, and Raja Rao. Moving on to the next type of question. The third type of objective question is chronological order. So write in chronological order. Chronological order means you have to write the following events from ascending to descending. So let us see the options. A. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji, Greek romances, the appearance of magazines and newspapers, Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. So let us see the answer. So the correct order is A. Greek romances, B. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji, C. Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales, and D. The appearance of magazine and newspapers. Moving on to the next question. Write in chronological order. A. Industrial Revolution, B. Drama and poetry started fading away, C. Novel gained popularity, D. The rise of middle class. So the correct chronological order is A. Industrial Revolution, the rise of middle class, C. Drama and poetry started fading away, and D. Novel gained popularity. Moving on to the next is, given below are some novels, events and writers of the Indian English. Arrange them in chronological order. So the first is A Rise of Famous Indian Trio, Nayanthara Sahgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Madgavkar, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, Kiran Nagarkar, Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. So here now we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So let us see the correct order. So the correct order is first Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, which was the first novel by an Indian in English. Next is Rise of the Famous Indian Trio. Next, Nayanthara Sahgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Madgavkar. These are the names of the olden English writers. Moving on to the current ones, which are Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar. Moving on to the next fourth option, give below are novels in English literature. Arrange them in the order of their appearances. So here are the list of novels. We have to arrange them in the ascending order, where the first novel will come first, while the latest one will be the last. So let's see the answer. So the correct order is the first, Eclogues and Mote the Author, B. The Tale of Genji and Downcoat, C. The Pilgrim's Progress and Urunaku, and D. Pamela and Gulliver Travels. Moving on to the fourth type of sub question, state whether the following sentences are true or false. So here there are some sentences, we have to judge them as if they are true or false. So novel is recognized as the most dominant literary genre in the modern times. So is this statement true or false? So the correct answer is, so this particular statement is true. Novel is recognized as the most dominant literary genre in the modern times. The second one, a novel is relatively a short narrative. So the correct answer to this is, so this particular statement is false because novel is a long narrative. Moving on to the third one, the Tale of Genji is described as the world's first novel. So this particular statement is itself, as the novel was published in the year 1010, that is 1010, it is the first novel. The next is middle class people had a little interest in romances and tragedies. So is this particular statement true? So this particular statement is true. Moving on to the fifth one, novel gave voice to the aspirations and longings of the middle class. So is this statement true? So yes, the statement is also, because most of the people from the middle class were interested in novel. It is true that novel gave rise to the third type of class, which is also known as the working middle class. Moving on to the sixth type, the women novelists haven't contributed significantly in English literature. So it means that there were no women writers or authors. So this particular statement is false. So answer is false. The seventh one, novel is greater in length than novel. Novella is greater in length than novel. So is this particular statement true? No. So the following statement is false because novel itself in Italian is known as novella. So the next one, setting doesn't affect plot or characters. So is this statement true or false? The answer is false, as we know that setting is closely related with character because a character's social surrounding will judge his behavior. So the answer to this statement is false. Moving on to the next one, the struggle in opposite forces in a story is called as conflict. Yes, the struggle between the opposite forces, that is good versus bad, good versus evil, is surely known as conflict. So the answer to this sentence is true. So the next one is, epistolary novel is a series of correspondences, other documents and diary entries as well. So the particular statement is true because epistolary novel is based on a series of letters. So this particular statement is true. So let us now see the next question. So the fifth type of question, objective type of question, is match the following. So in this you have the first example, match essential elements of novel in column A with relevant points in column B. So you have to match the following elements of novel. In some cases you have names of novels and types of novels. Next you have authors of various types of novels and the various themes of those novels or types of novels. So let us begin with the first type of, or the first example. So here in column A we have theme, plot, character and setting, and in column B we have can be a thumbnail, B the background of the story, C philosophical statement, or D course of events. So let us take a few seconds and then we shall see the answer. So here we have the answers. The first is theme. Theme is a philosophical statement. Moving on, second, plot. So what is plot? Plot is the course of events. C, third one is the character. Character is can be a thumbnail. It could give you an idea of the character. Setting means the background of a story. Moving on to the second one. So let us see the next one. Again, theme. For theme we already know that it is a philosophical statement, a central idea. For second one, 2, the answer is D, that is course of events. Plot is the course of events. The third one, conflict. Conflict means the struggle in between the opposite forces, that is B. While the fourth answer is C, that is language style means techniques of the narration. Let us move to the third type of example. Agatha Christie, William James, George Eliot, Mary Shelley. Then we have the types of or themes of the novel, such as stream of consciousness, crime fiction, science-based novels, or psychological novels. So let us see the answers. So the answers, the first one, Agatha Christie, is a famous novelist of crime fiction. William James coined the term stream of consciousness, that is A. The third is D, that is George Eliot psychological novels. And fourth is Mary Shelley, that is C, science based novels. Moving on to the next fourth type, or the fourth example. Fourth example, we have Virginia Woolf, Mary Shelley, Frances Burney, Anna Radcliffe. While as we have the options such as A, Gothic novels, B, novel of manners, C, science based novels, or D, stream of consciousness. So let us see the answers. So the answers: Virginia Woolf, that is 1D, that is stream of consciousness. The second answer, that is 2, is C, Mary Shelley, science based novels. Third one is Frances Burney, the answer is B, novel of manners. While fourth one, Anna Radcliffe, fourth is A, Gothic novels. So let us see the next fifth example. So moving on to the fifth example, which is first is Rise of the Middle Class, the Spirit of Realism and Denial of Romanticism, novel and periodical essays, The Tales of the Greek Romances. So here are the options from column B: 18th century literature, B, industrial revolution, C, stories of ideal love and adventures, or D, novel as a literary genre. So let us see the answers. So the correct answers are: 1 is B, rise of the middle class, industrial revolution; 2D, that is the spirit of realism and denial of romanticism, novel as a literary genre; third is A, novel and periodical essay, 18th century literature; while the fourth is C, the tales of Greek romances, which is stories of ideal love and adventures. Moving on to the sixth type of, or sixth example, the options of column A: 1 is the flow of thoughts, 2, the internal life of the protagonist, third, the novel based on real life of the author, and fourth, the growth of the protagonist's mind, spirit, and character. Let us just see the types of novels mentioned in column B. That is, the first is Building Grossman novel, stream of consciousness, psychological novel, D, autobiographical novel. So here are the answers. So here are the correct answers. The flow of thoughts are part of, that is 1, the answer is B, stream of consciousness. The second one, the internal life of the protagonist, the correct answer is D, autobiographical type of novel. The third one, the novel based on the real life of the author, is A, Building Grossman novel. The fourth is the growth of the protagonist's mind, spirit, and characters. This is fourth is C, psychological novel. So let us see the next example, where there are names of authors and their books or novels: Daniel Defoe, Jonathan Swift, Samuel Richardson, John Bunyan. Then you have A, Gulliver Travels, B, Robinson Crusoe, C, The Pilgrim's Progress, D, Pamela. So the answers are, so here are the answers. A, the first one, Daniel Defoe, is 1 is B, Robinson Crusoe; 2, Jonathan Swift, that is A, Gulliver Travels; 3, Samuel Richardson is D, Pamela; 4th is John Bunyan, while the answer is C, The Pilgrim's Progress. Moving on to the next example, here you have the types of novel: picaresque novel, historical novel, allegorical novel, and utopian novel. While you have the exact themes: A, bears more than one layers of meaning; B, speculative fiction; C, adventures of an eccentric protagonist; D, set in the earlier period of the writing. So here we have some options which are similar, as we have already solved them in the above examples. So let us see the answers. So here are the answers. First is picaresque novel. 1 is C, adventures of an eccentric protagonist. 2, historical novel. Answer is D, set in earlier period of the writing. Third is allegorical novel, which is A, bears more than one layers of meaning. Fourth is utopian novel, while the answer is B, speculative fiction. Moving on to the last one, here we have the names of the authors and their novels: Thomas Mann, John Steinbeck, Henry James, Joseph Conrad. So A, The Heart of Darkness, B, The Turn of the Screw, C, Death in Venice, D, Pearl. So let us see the answers. So the answers are 1, Thomas Mann. The answer is C, Death in Venice. Next you have John Steinbeck. The answer is D, Pearl. 3 is Henry James, while the answer is B, The Turn of the Screw. Fourth, Joseph Conrad. The option is A, The Heart of Darkness. So moving on to the sixth type of sub question. Here you have to complete the given sentences. The first is the periodical essay and novel are the gifts of. So here you have three options. Is it 18th century, 7th century or 19th century? So the correct answer is 18th century. So next is a novel is relatively a dash. So what is a novel? Is it a short narrative of fiction, a long narrative fiction, or a fiction of moderate length? So the correct answer to this is it is a long narrative of fiction. Moving on to the third one, the Industrial Revolution gave birth to. So here you have three types of classes: the poor class, the middle class, or the rich class. The answer is middle class. So the answer is middle class. Appearance of newspaper in the 18th century attracted a large number of readers from. So another blank space. Is it the poor class, middle class, or the rich class? So the correct answer is middle class. Moving on to the next one, the rise of the novel as literary genre resulted in lowering the importance of dash. Was it poetry, drama, and poetry? So the correct answer is drama and poetry. Both of them lost the importance when there was the rise of novel. Last one, Salman Rushdie, V.S. Naipaul, and Kazuo Ishiguro is, what are they? Are they Indian authors, immigrant authors, writers of the Indian origin? So the correct answer is immigrant authors. So here is the end of the part 1 of this board's preparation video. If you have understood everything, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. We are very close at hitting 1K subscribers. And have a good evening. Be safe. Stay safe at homes.